Hi, viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we have a great news for you. I have researched for the best ChatGPT Chrome extension so all of you can get the maximum benefit. So, without any delays, let's get to the screen. Here we have our chat interface. Let me mention that I am using the free version and not the paid, so this is Chat 3.5 and not Chat 4, but interestingly we will enjoy the benefits of GPT-4 in this tutorial. Here you can see that there are so many promote available but not as many as other extensions offers, but there is a reason. This extension is launched nearly and the developers are working hard to introduce new valuable prompts. So, which extension is this? Do you have an idea? This is Ranknow.ai ChatGPT Extension. As the name suggests, these prompts are there for you to rank your websites. This extension is launched by Ismail and his team, a Pakistani entrepreneur. They are determined to help the people struggling with overcoming search engine algorithms. So, as you can see here, I have selected all topics, and hence all the prompts are displayed. On each page, you will see 12 prompts. Here we have prompts for the proper keyword strategy, generate unique domain names, keyword strategy 2.0, press release, hashtag generator, SEO optimization, FAQs, YouTube script, and many more. Let's see how this extension can help with keyword research. So there are 2 prompts and I will go with keyword research 2.0. Let's suppose I want to search for keywords for the topic, Chat Chrome extensions. And here the magic begins. As you can see, it is working to bring me a detailed table of keyword variations. This prompt is working on KGR technique. Do you know about this? If not, drop a comment and I will create a video on that. It is still working to bring more keywords. I don't have a stable connection today, so just end it and these keywords are enough. Well, as you hear is the keyword, chatbot Chrome extension, the search volume is 100, cost per click is 13 cents, paid difficulty is 18, and SEO difficulty is 15. Respectively, we have details for other keywords as well. Do you find it useful? Do comment to let me know. It motivates me to bring more useful content for you. Let's explore the other prompts if they are valuable as well. Here we have one-click website SEO optimization. It will help you to optimize your website for free. Can you guess how much will it work? Let's see. Here it asks what kind of business it is and what it is for. So let's suppose it is a fashion store in the UK. The magic has begun and we are getting what we requested. See, here it created a table with the details of pages I should add to my website and all the essential details are given. Isn't it a time-saving strategy? For the keyword Fashion Store UK, here is my page title, next is the meta description, followed by what type of image to use and how to do its SEO. Then there goes other keywords and the same required information. As you can see, there is all I need. The extension is so smart and even considered sustainability. Are you impressed by this feature? I think this is so far the best experiment we have done. You should try for your website and businesses and comment on what results you got. If you find this interesting, let's see from where you can get this. Go to the Chrome browser. Search for rankknow.ai and here are the results. As you need the extension, so type that as well so you get the direct link. See, this extension is being highlighted in blogs as well. So we are on the right path. You can read this content if you want to. Scroll down and click here. As I have installed, so I am not getting the install option. But we'll have to download it to add to the bar. Here are the details. It is version 0.0.4 beta. It means it is in the testing phase. The last update was published on March 28 and it is available in English. If you want to read more about this, check this overview. It explains all about this Chrome extension and what people can expect from this in the near future. More than 5,000 users have installed this extension and more are growing. It is reviewed by 492 people and has super ratings. You can read individual reviews as well if you like. So, keep reading and getting motivated from the experiences of others. If you need any other details on this extension and how to use it, you can leave a comment and I will respond to you. Just install this right away and get yourself easy at the jobs. If you can't find the extension link that way, then here is another method to manually download and activate the extension. You can read these details and follow them. Once you have enabled the extension, you will get the same preface as mine. Believe me, this extension brings you unlimited wonders. If you download extension manually, you will have 166 prompts. New prompts are even more interesting than the earlier ones and help you a lot. Happy browsing! Take care!